Today I want to share a sales tip with you as an entrepreneur. And also, if you're watching this video and you're a sales rep, this is going to be super effective for you. But if you're an entrepreneur and you want to level up your sales team, pass this tip along to them. And this is a tip to include a video follow-up in your sales process. I've been doing this going all the way back to medical device sales, where after any interaction that I have, whether it's with a potential client, it's a client we just signed on, it's a potential referral partner, or anybody that I network with, go to coffee, lunch, meet at an event, etc., is I will actually take out my phone and send a 30 to 60 second video follow-up, just recapping the interaction, talking about some things that we were talking about, so that way they know it's personalized, and then also talking about next steps in that video. And the response that I get is just absolutely phenomenal. People are just amazed that I took time, because they know how busy I am, that I took time out of my day to follow up with them, but also personalize it with a video touch. And not to say that it's absolutely going to guarantee a closed deal or anything like that, but it does keep you top of mind. What it has also done is when people have not actually moved forward with us, maybe they just delayed the buying process, sometimes they go with another company for whatever reason, they end up reaching back out at some point and they remember me. And sometimes that leads to another referral. Sometimes that leads to them actually end up doing business with us, because I didn't just send an email or a text message or not follow up at all. I actually took the time and spent the time to personalize a video and send it to them. And it doesn't have to be overwhelming. You don't have to use a very fancy, nice camera like the one that I'm using right now. You literally take out your phone and you personalize a 30 to 60 second video. And again, this is for a variety of different reasons, because you want them to know you, you want them to like you, and you want them to trust you. So you start to build that rapport on even a deeper level, even if this was the first time that you met that person. And then they start to tell people, and I've seen people literally go and say, hey man, I told other people about the video follow-up that you did, and people will start asking questions about what it is that I do. And they also will start telling their sales team, and then they start implementing it themselves. So it's this ripple effect of providing value regardless of what the outcome is, if we get to do business or not. So it's really, really effective. Most people aren't doing it. Most people are trying to cut corners in sales follow-up with doing all of these sorts of automations, which are also very, very important. Or they try to send the email, they try to do the text message, they try to do the easy way out. At the end of the day, just take some time to look at your calendar, figure out who you met with that day, who you had Zoom calls with, phone calls with, etc., and spend the time. Block it off on your calendar and send those video follow-ups, put stuff in CRM, and you will be amazed at the improvement you'll see in your overall sales process. It's not going to happen overnight, but you will stick out from the competition whether this potential client or a referral partner does business with you ever or not. Your goal is not short term. It shouldn't be short term. It should be long term, right? And in order to be around long term and to be super effective long term and to grow at the rate that we've grown our agency over the last 3 years, I wouldn't be where I'm at without this video access in the sales process, without this being a follow-up key that I use through and through and through, time and time again. Do it every single day. So implement this one key thing into your sales process. If you're an entrepreneur doing the sales, if you're an entrepreneur that leads the sales team, pass this information along to them. If you're a sales rep watching this video, start to implement this immediately, and you'll be surprised at the impact it has on growing your book of business. I hope this video helps. It's helped me immensely over the last couple of years, and I continue to do this day in and day out. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Feel free to leave any comments, thoughts, ideas, things like that in the comments, or you can always reach out to me directly at AdamMcChesney.com. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and we'll see you next time.